Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we ordered that GlowShift transmission gauge for we're going to be installing that Mercedes ML W163, but we'll just open it and show you what it's in the package, guys, and we'll install it and test it and show you how it works and if it's good or if it's not. So let's see what we get now in the whole deal. It looks pretty good quality. I've heard people like them a lot. Okay, right there is the gauge itself, and now you have the instructions and what you need in order to install it. Okay, and the brackets harness. This is the temperature sensor right here. And what else we got? We even have a sticker, GlowShift, and advertisement and how the thing works. Okay, and 10% off coupon your next purchase, guys. So that's pretty good deal so far. And this is the face for it. Okay, some extra wires. And now we can just push it out of the box and let's see how it looks. It's pretty small, so it doesn't take too much space. Okay, and it's the tinted glass, so as you can see, when the car is not on, it looks pretty cool. It's like you don't see almost anything. It's too sunny right here now, but we'll see how it works, guys. Okay, and here is the sensor now. We turn the key on, and as you can see, right now it's 80 degrees because it's pretty cold and we haven't started the car yet. Okay, now you can even dim it with the headlights, as you can see, like that. So stay with us, we're going to test it now. Okay guys, we're giving it a try now, and as you can see, we've been pulling for about 2 hours and the temperature is between 170 to 175, and outside it's pretty cold. It's about 34 degrees now, and we just pull an empty dolly now. You can see behind us, that's the dolly right there. Stay with us, we will have a 2003 Jaguar X-Type 4-wheel drive behind us, pulling it later to see what temperature we'll get. Okay guys, we're pulling the Jaguar behind us now, and that thing is pretty heavy. I think it's about 3,500 pounds. And as you can see right now, we're around 200 degrees, so it works pretty good. As you can see, it can save you a lot of trouble having that gauge, because if you see the transmission overheating, you can downshift and you can even pull over. And see, outside now it's about 46 degrees, so it works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.